Hi everyone, so today we're going to be going over PEMDAS and order of expressions. So PEMDAS is an acronym to help remember the order of operations. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents. In an equation, parentheses look like this. Exponents look like this. M and D stand for multiply or divide, and in any expression you will choose whichever one is on the left first and whichever one is on the right second. And then add or subtract is the same thing. You can also remember PEMDAS by the words, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. But we're going to show some examples that'll help it make a little bit more sense. So just to quickly go over how to do this. So this first example, the expression is 36 divided by 3 to the second plus 12 minus 7 times 6 minus 3. So the first thing you're going to want to do is perform the operations inside the parentheses. So 12 minus 7 and we get 5. And then the second is E. So we evaluate exponents, which is 3 to the second. So that would be 9. And then our third, multiply and divide. So we choose to multiply and divide from left to right. So we start with 36 divided by 9, since it's farther left in the equation. And then we get 4. And then after that, we will do 5 times 6, since it's next in the equation, and we get 30. And then the next thing we're going to do is add and subtract. So we're going to start with 4 plus 30 since it's farther left, and then we are going to do 34 minus 3 because that's next, and we get 31. So I'm not sure if that's making sense, but here's some more examples that we're going to go through. So again, we're doing this based off of PEMDAS. So here we have 2 minus 4 divided by 4. So what comes first in PEMDAS is division. So first thing we're going to do is 4 divided by 4, so we get 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the answer to this question is 1. And then next, when we're looking at PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then 5 minus 8, we get negative 3. So the answer for this equation is negative 3. Again, in terms of PEMDAS, so we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication comes first. So 6 times 8 is what we're going to do first, and that equals 48. And then we're adding 8 to 48, which gives us 56. Next, we have multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication comes first. 9 times 9 equals 81. And then 81 minus 5 equals 76. So our answer for that equation is 76. And then we have, so again, when we look at PEMDAS, as we saw first, multiplication and division and addition and subtraction are grouped together. So in this example, we have addition and subtraction, and we're going to go in order from left to right. So that means we're going to start with subtraction. So 7 minus 8 equals 1, and then 1 plus 4 equals 5. So that's going to be all for PEMDAS, but if you have any questions, you can leave them below. And I hope you guys enjoyed.